Welcome. In this video we will see new enhanced features of SAP HANA SPS05 modeling. As of SAP HANA SPS05, the editor of attribute view and analytic view has been revamped. In our example, sales is the fact table, country, product and product subcategory are master tables. So we need to create attribute view for product and country, analytic view for sales. Let us start with creation of attribute view. For that, open SAP HANA Studio. Drill down System. Under Content, right click on SPS05 package which we have already created and select New Attribute View. New Information View window opens. Now as we can notice here itself we get an option to choose between Attribute View and Analytic View. When we select View Type as Analytic View, then the subtype gets disabled. Select View Type as Attribute View. Give name as per SAP HANA naming conventions. We will give 80_product. Keep subtype default as standard. Click on Finish. The attribute editor opens. It consists of two panels, namely Scenario and Details. The Scenario panel of the editor consists of two nodes, Data Foundation and Semantics. The Data Foundation node represents the tables used for defining the output structure of the view. The Semantic node represents the output structure of the view. In the detail panel, we define the relationship between data sources and output elements. Add a table to data foundation using any of the three ways. First, drag and drop the required table from the catalog to data foundation node. In our case, product table. Second method is click on the plus symbol, find window opens. Type the table name, product again, and under matching items select the table. We will select product subcategory and click on OK. Last method is right click in details panel and click on add and follow the same procedure. In the details panel we can see the table structure of tables added to data foundation. Join product subcategory IDs to each other. Click on the join to see its properties. Here we can change values of join type, language and cardinality. Now define attribute data by right clicking on the field of the table and select add to output. Other method is clicking the toggle button on left of table field. As we can notice, the toggle button turns orange when we click on it. If you want to rename the columns in the output field, click on rename button. Under new name, type the new names. Here we can change a name for all the output fields in a single window. Under label, give description for the fields. All the table fields that you have added to the output are automatically mapped as attributes. To define key attributes, select Semantics node. In the Attributes tab page of the column panel, select the required attributes and select Type as key attributes from drop-down. Or else we can also change type by clicking on this symbol. Attributes can be defined as hidden so that they are able to be used in processes but are not available to end users. Click on the Save and Validate. It is completed. Now click on Save and Activate. Click the button to see the data preview. Drag and drop price under value access and category name and product name under label access. The chart displays the final output. To view the data, click on Raw Data. We are done with Attribute View. Now let us create Analytic View. Right click on Package and select New Analytic View. Give name as per SAP naming conventions. We will give as AN_sales. Click on Finish. The Analytic View editor opens. The scenario panel now contains additional node, namely logical join. It represents the relationship between the fact table and attribute views, which is used to create the star schema. Create star schema by linking fact table with attribute views. In data foundation, add the fact table. To do so, type the name of the fact table in search box. In our case, it is sales. From the search result, select the table and click on Add. Thus, the table is added. Add the required attribute views in the logical join node. To do so, again type the name of the attribute view in search box. In our case, product. From search result, select Models tab. Under Models tab, select the required attribute view and click on Add. Similarly, add AT_country attribute view. Under Details panel, now we have 2 attribute views and 1 fact table. Click on Auto Arrange to arrange the user interface elements automatically. Add the table columns to the output structure that we want to use to define the facts by clicking the toggle button on the left of the table field. Create joins between the views and fact table. Join product ID to product ID and country ID to country ID. Select the semantics node. If the multidimensional reporting property of the analytic view is set to false, the view will not be available for reporting purpose. We will keep default true. Define attributes and measures. For that, in the column panel, select local tap page and change the type as attributes and measures accordingly. Optionally, we can also click on auto assign, where it will automatically assign type as attribute and measures. The shared tab page shows the attributes of the used attribute views. Click on Save and Validate. It is completed. Now click on Save and Activate. Let us see the data preview now. Drag and drop fields under label axis and value axis as per your requirement to display the output in form of chart. Thus, in this video, we have seen the new enhanced features of SAP HANA SPS05 modeling. Thank you.